Imagine this, a cold concrete building, gray and lifeless, slowly transforming into a lush green paradise right before your eyes. Sounds wild, right? But what if I told you that these so-called ugly buildings might just be the secret weapon in the fight against climate change? Welcome to the world of eco-brutalism, the trend that's making cities cooler, cleaner, and a whole lot greener. So, what exactly is eco-brutalism? Let's rewind for a second. Brutalism is that architectural style you've probably seen before. Big, bold, blocky buildings made of exposed concrete. Think classic city libraries, government buildings, or university halls from the 60s and 70s. For decades, people called them eyesores. But now, architects and city planners are flipping the script. By blending all that raw concrete with living plants, gardens, and moss, they're turning these urban dinosaurs into unexpected eco-heroes. Why is eco-brutalism blowing up right now? Well, beyond the viral TikTok and Instagram posts showing drab towers morphing into vertical jungles, there's a real science behind the hype. Cities can be up to 10 degrees hotter than the countryside, a phenomenon called the urban heat island effect. Green walls act like natural air conditioners, cooling buildings and the air around them. Plus, these plants filter out pollution, capture carbon, and invite birds, bees, and butterflies back into the city. And let's not forget the human side. Studies show that greenery helps with stress, boosts mental health, and makes neighborhoods prouder and more connected. So, how do you turn a concrete monster into a green wonder? It's actually simpler than you think. Modular wall systems, hydroponic setups, and clever irrigation make it possible to add thousands of plants to almost any surface. Maintenance. Not as scary as you think. Many systems are self-watering and designed for easy care. I've even heard from urban gardeners who say it's easier than tending a regular backyard. Could this work where you live? Cities like Paris, Singapore, Milan, and even New York are already proving it's possible. Now I'm curious, would you want to see the ugliest building in your city go green? Why or why not? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. So here's the takeaway. Eco-brutalism is turning yesterday's concrete eyesores into tomorrow's green lungs, giving us cleaner air, cooler cities, and a shot at a healthier planet. If you love seeing cities go green, hit subscribe and tell me which building in your town deserves a leafy makeover. Let's reimagine our cities together.